I'm gonna render this off stream and load this onto Gumroad. But once I load this onto Gumroad, I'll make sure to post a link. Um, so yeah, so there's a simple little pop-up with social media icons, and all you have to do is edit the text and adjust the size, and you can turn on and off the icons to suit your liking. And feel free to edit this project file however you like. And I'll be sure to put this up onto Gumroad with my other downloadable project files. This one will make sure to include the Blender. We have a brand new Blender file now, and it's the newest version. And if I make any like updates to it, then I'll just like update the same project in the same gumroad.com/JenniNexus, and then you can come over here and download any of these. They're free. And I embedded them on my website too, so if you go to jenninexus.com, you can find most of these on the freebies page. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. Thanks for the rates and everything. I'll probably be back soon, sooner than last time for sure. Oh, Daniel Radcliffe shot a movie up here called Swiss Army. Alright, friends, I'm looking to see who can we raid. Thanks again for the good company and stuff, friends. I have that thing on a multi-timer, so it automatically turned my face off. Alright, who's live? Got a lot of good choices here. We're at Spheres, probably doing game dev. Alright, take care, friends. See ya.